Great toy race coming up. Cars racing, crashing, slow, fast, splash, disappear, splash, green, rider, Zuma, Thomas, splash. It's the great toy race. Race 1. The black car, yellow. Yellow car's gonna win. Into the orange cup. Race 2. Oh, the blue car with the eyes. He's winning. Crash into the red cup. Race 3. Oh no! The crane got stuck. Blue race car wins. Race 4. Oh, it's a bus. Against the fire trucks, got stuck. Bus wins. Race 5. Red against yellow. Oh, yellow's got stuck. Red wins. Race 6. Oh, that one's got slowed down. Red car wins. Other red car, a bit slow. Oh, what's this? Eggs. Yellow against purple. Yellow wins. Egg race 2. Oh, they both got stuck, green and blue. Here comes Ryder. Crash. What's this? Zuma. And Thomas the Tank Engine. Back to the race. The great toy race. All the toys are here. Paw Patrol. The great toy race finals. Race 7. Oh, the light blue car into the blue water. Uh-oh, disappeared. The blue egg against the green egg. Green egg's got stuck. Blue's it coming? Yeah, into the water. Race 8. Oh, that red car's got stuck. And that one splash into the orange water. Race 9. Oh, the yellow car's looking good, but it got stuck and the blue race car wins. Race 10. Oh dear, it got stuck, the plastic one, but the metal one wins. Into the orange water. Race 11. It's a bus against a taxi. Who's going to win? The taxi's looking good. Bus got stuck. Taxi splash to the green water. Final race. Oh, red against blue, red splash and red wins. Instant replay. They're going back up. Whoop. Splash. Red wins. Hooray! Congratulations. Red car wins. Great toy race.